Here we're looking for the law of cosines to solve for an angle. Specifically, this one is meant to solve for angle A. For using the law of cosines to solve for angle A, the first thing I want to do is make sure that law of sines won't work. I've got no opposite pairs here, so that means that law of cosines is my only option. Solving for angle A, I'm going to set this up as an A squared law of cosines. And we've got b squared plus c squared is minus 2bc cosine of angle A. A squared is going to be 36. B squared is going to be 25. C squared is going to be 100. Minus 2 times 5 is 10 times 10 is 100. Cosine of A. We have to be really careful here. It's really likely that we'd love to combine these three pieces, 25 plus 100 minus 100, but the minus 100 cosine A is stuck together. We're multiplying there, so we cannot combine that 100 with the 100 in front of it. So our goal instead is going to be to get that part by itself. We end up with 11 is equal to 100. I don't know why I didn't do that in one step. 100 cosine of A minus 100 minus 100, negative 89. Then I'm going to divide by negative 100 is equal to cosine of A. I also know to get that angle, I've got to do inverse cosine of negative 89 over 100, which is the same as positive 89 over 100, which is the same as 0.89. So whatever you choose to do to type that in, you're good. We've got 27.127. That is our angle.